Hello guys, Ed we're here, and today we are playing Party Animals, and with my brother Eddie. Say hello, Eddie.
Hi.
And I'm with my brother Double D.
It's Zenko, but Double D is fine.
So yeah, we are playing Party Animals. So yeah, here we go. All right, let's do this.
You know what? If you say my real name,
I'm gonna be Skipper. I'll be Skipper.
Where's the sharky at?
At the. Press X.
I'll shoot the fuck out. You press square to punch. Like Game Beast.
It's a game beast, so. Triangles to jump and X is to kick, and triangle X is to jump kick, and circles to headbutt. And you hold this and this together to climb, okay?
How do you grab though?
This. You hold this to grab.
Ooh.
And you hold L2 to run. Got it? Alright, let's do this! Hi! Oh! Woo! Whoa, what do I have? Oh, I have a hat! Hi! Ow! Potion! Ah! Yeah! Oh. Ah! Climb, 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 climb.
Oh,
Oh, I threw my weapon.
how do you kick again?
Oh, X. And you press triangle X to jump kick. Oh,
You kick.
I got a bomb. I got a bomb.
Banana bomb.
Oh, you press square when you hold stuff to throw. Hi.
Wow.
Oh,
I'm trying to get.
I'm strapped. I'm strapped.
Oh, the freeze gun.
Oh.
Skipper.
It's so you, Skipper. I don't have the codes. I don't want any excuses. Give me results.
Weapon. How do you throw him again?
Oh, square.
No! Why'd you throw the weapon? Oh, the gas. It's the gas. Oh, I missed.
Oh.
Let me grab you.
Ah. Hey. Ah. Let go of me. Let go.
How do you do
Oh
that?
God, the gas! Oh, the gas! Run! Run!
Oh no.
Hi!
Say thank you.
Oh no! Throw him in the gas!
No, no.
Oh wait, that's with the boomerang!
Jump kick.
No, don't you dare! Don't! Oh, we're on the gas. I'm dead.
I
Wait, what?
You win.
How did I win?
Round 2.
Come here.
Hi! Ooh. Hi!
How do you throw?
Ooh.
Like, when you grab somebody, how do you throw?
Square.
Oh,
Plunger.
my stomach. Ah, my stomach. Let go. Ah, my stomach.
Oh. That's here! Woo! Oh no! No! Climb!
No! No!
Ooh,
Easy win!
shark head. No, I win.
Go on, brother! What?
Fine. What did you tell me? Oh, there you go.
How are you not dead?
I have no idea.
Oh, you get to throw something pressing X. You use this to switch. See?
What?
That's it! Honestly, I'm tired of you guys! Come here, you! I did it! Ah! Honestly!
What?
Wait, I forgot. I'm supposed to be Ed. I'm tired of you guys! Stop it! This is fun.
I'm so bad.
Whoa! Oh,
Actually, throwing's not really easy when you're in that mode.
Ooh, I choked you. Whoa!
Oh! Ah!
I'm gonna
Get up! 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 Get up!
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
Skip up!
What? I'm just on the bottom. What?
Oh my god!
Switch with this.
Die!
A.
Oh!
Oh, you have the bomb ready.
How do you
Oh,
press it?
use the joystick to move the thing. Use the icon to throw. And then you press square. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Excellent. Oh, I'll blow up with you.
Each time I get hit,
Hey! Oh!
Oh, wait, you knocked me out too!
Hey!
How dare you! Oh, look at my glasses! Look at my eyes!
Look at his eyes!
Yeah, you see why I wear sunglasses?
oh.
Oh!
Oh, I need
Right! Ah! Oh!
Oh, God, I missed. Get away! Get away! Yeah. Oh, no, I missed. Yeah.
No, please. Please, I'm sorry. Ah, the bomb! No, no.
Oh, no.
Yes, yes. How do you do that wrongly?
You
run and you press circle.
Hold L2 to run, and then you press circle. But be careful, you might fall. And then you do this. Ah! Like that.
Why did you do this, brother?
Yes, guess what? Yeah! Oh, no.
Get off!
Guys, I just realized since they put so many maps and we're having so many wins and stuff, this could be a really long video.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to edit it down.
Get the bombs ready.
Alright.
That hit me? Oh.
Oh, thank you, everyone. Hey, how you still moving? I'm still moving.
Let go! You're gonna dive the gas too!
Hey, no!
Yeah!
I really wanted to be on it in Judas Team.
You know what? I'll end the video in 30 minutes when we'll keep playing. How about that? Yeah, I'll end it in 30 minutes when we'll keep playing. Maybe 25.
No!
Oh! I. Oh! Hi! How did you? Oh! You went out of bounds!
Wait, how do you press the finish? Circle?
No, you do this. You hit the L1, L1, R1.
Finally, I win!
Ah, no, I'm sorry.
Ooh.
There.
I used the taser. And well, guess what? You won't use it anymore.
Ah!
No.
Hold this, do this.
I killed myself.
Well, onward to the next map.
Hey. Let's do it, bro. This photo.
Tina, move around, ready? Go!
See?
Hey, this is where I live!
Aye! Oh!
Ah!
This is about the fire.
You need to get away from it, Tito.
Oh no! Get away! Get away!
Oh, how do I say you? How do you?
I'm gonna say it's alright if we use our real names. It's fine, right, guys? I mean, guys, if you guys hear my real name, it's fine. I mean, you can still check the guy's real name. Maybe not Markiplier, but you guys still PewDiePie. Huh, guys?
No! No! No!
Hi.
No! No!
Wait, where's R2 square? R2 triangle? Oh! You landed in the
You have to hold triangle and R2. Hold them together to climb.
Oh,
Oh, I'm dead.
oh,
So what do you think? This is better than Game Beast? Oh, way better.
I got the plunger. Oh, I need to. Yeah.
Oh!
It's on your belly.
Oh! Ah! He's got a crossbow! He's strapped! Run!
Oh, look at I cut the plunger off of you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Oh my god.
that's alright. Hey, was that 12 minutes of footage? Not bad. Wait, dude, do the math. So,
Yeah.
The 12 minutes now, so I like 18 minutes. So
okay, 18.
No.
Go!
go.
Oh! Up here!
How do you? Oh. I can't move! I'm sorry guys, I was sacrificed myself.
You have to hold it. Don't tap it. Hold it.
I can move. It's
That's the one. It's triangle R2, not triangle R1.
Okay, fight.
Wait, you both knocked out?
How does that knock me out?
Am I dead?
Oh,
Oh, I'm dead.
Whoa.
Yeah, I can't get up.
Oh, that's not fair.
Yeah. My head is still peeking out of the water. Look at that.
Hey!
You guys stay with me, guys. I have a bomb.
Oh!
I have a bomb.
no! Help!
Spinach!
Yup, oh, have you lost? Okay, yeah.
Go.
Ah!
What? I got a banana.
Well, I'm dead.
The banana.
My God, you killed the turbine.
Ooh.
Give me the lollipop.
No, no, no,
Oh, there.
Oh. Zen disintegrated. Ah! Ah!
no,
Oh.
no.
Dang it, Eddie! Come here. Get here. Oh. Hey. Spinach. Ah.
Oh no! Oh Rocky!
Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up!
Give me fish.
Hey! Oh!
Oh. Oh no! I'm sorry, buddy! No!
Oh, he's too far away.
Why?
He's like bonking this.
On to the next map.
I'm always back.
It's alright.
You didn't see that, Ed?
How far? Yeah, I saw that. How far into the video? 4 minutes. We got plenty of time.
This is fine.
Oh! That was hilarious. They're probably caught that. Oh!
Eddie.
He's laying down the floor.
Oh, broken arrow! It's a plane.
We're on the plane.
That's all fun. I'm not gonna say live.
So yeah, don't jump around too much, otherwise you'll fly off. Hey, look, watch. Hey, if you keep on doing that, you're gonna do this. Whack!
No,
Hey!
No!
Oh, these are just emotes? Look,
Oh,
D-pad down. Hold D-pad down.
oh my god, baby.
Okay. Oh!
I got a crossbow. I got it.
Oh! Ah!
He knocked himself out.
Yay! I just want. I just wait.
Oh, I missed.
Oh,
What? How?
Wait! Woo! Wah! Ooh! Yeah! Ooh! Wah! Woo! Wah! Ooh! Hee! Ha! Ooh! Ha! 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 Yeah! 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 Oh!
Oh!
Woohoo!
Doing Homer's woohoo.
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh! Ah!
Oh no! Drop the ball! Drop the ball! Ah! Whoa!
Hold L2. Hold left trigger.
Boomerang!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Ah!
What are you doing?
Oh!
yes. I can't hear you. Real
From the edge.
God.
Oh, you still win. Look at.
He's running up and they had this.
Huh.
Like
Are you kidding me?
wait, how do you shoot this thing?
Ah! Ah!
Oh, he won this round then. Look at that, he won.
Yeah.
Next map. Oh!
Come here, intruder.
Conveyor. How
How
much time? We still got 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, now I know this stuff. So if you get hit,
Oh, it still has all the bombs. Ah!
Aaron, wait, hold on. Do you see that?
Oh, grab it. Yes.
I
got it.
Wait, I have this.
No! Ah!
Wait, you won?
What?
Look at son. You coming with me? Oh, ah!
Oh, no, Henry, Judah! You're going down.
I got a crossbow. Hi. Woo! Hi. You press square to shoot this though.
Oh,
No, please! Please!
Oh! Ah!
what? Look at him! Look at him go! Ah! And oh,
Hey!
Ha!
No! Let's take a minute.
Ha!
oh shit! It makes you run fast.
Hey guys, look, Johnny Bravo. Ha! Ha! Oh, did you see that?
Oh,
He freaking! Oh, he jumped and flipped. Did you see
I
that?
saw that.
Oh!
Look at you jumping in.
Oh no. Oh,
No!
It's you and me, Eddie.
No! Aaron, you're not gonna win.
Oh yeah? Yeah.
so I'm gonna grab it.
It's obvious.
Where'd you go?
I don't know. Ooh.
No! I'm sorry, Johnny!
Oh. Let go of me. Oh. Hey.
This.
Oh. Ah.
Jump kick him.
Oh, snap. I got a bomb.
Damn.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna have one. Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I can step up.
Yeah, you can. Baba.
Hi.
Oh!
What?
I got double bomb.
Oh. But I still have the super speed.
Woo. Oh.
Jeez.
On to the next pack.
Are you not gonna acknowledge that I got bombed twice off the map?
Yep, you did. Yes, you did.
Eddie's the only one that saw me. Oh!
I shoot Judah.
Yeah, you did.
What's up? Oh, right.
Black Hole Lab. Oh, you're gonna love this one.
Okay.
Oh, it's my blue.
13 minutes. We have a little bit of time. And we'll just keep playing when the video's over. Don't worry. baseball bat. Fight.
How do you open those crates?
You go.
Black hole.
Oh no, oh no.
The chain. We need to get to it.
Run!
No. No.
Where's the chain? Grab onto the chain! It's mine! Let go!
Oh. Eddie, come here.
Eddie!
No, ground.
I'll hold onto the chain!
Don't hit me. That's incredible.
Hold on! Hurry! Get up!
Hold
How do
on.
you,
Hold R2! Hold R2!
R2, what's
The trigger! The shooting button! Okay. Hold on! Hold on! Don't stop! What are you doing?
Yeah.
No, dude! No! That's it!
Oh wait.
Okay, that's fine.
No.
Yeah.
Damn, I missed.
Wait, what did you just say? Don't curse. I will.
Potion. Potion.
Oh, they see it's right there.
I'm invisible.
Well, you can see on the screen.
Hey, that's cheating.
Oh no, oh no. There's a ghost!
Let go of me! Oh! Oh!
Take your computer. No, no. What's that killing you? Stop moving on. Chain, chain, chain. Chain. I'm on the chain. I'm gonna grab onto it. I'm onto it. Trying to get the chain.
Ah!
Oh, he's.
Ah! Ah!
Oh no! I'm fucking too!
Ah! Ah!
Yippee.
How much time do we have?
4 minutes.
16.
Okay.
Oh!
Is it a teeth? Is that the teeth? How do you
Shoot. We're square. Oh, it's a freezing gun.
Oh, 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 oh,
Go! Ah! Ah! Yeah! Oh! Oh! Ah!
Wait, can I? Yeah, I am. Can I freeze you?
Oh! That's the way I'm playing down. Look at.
Signal. How do I freeze you?
You gotta shoot me with this. Oh no. I win! Ah!
Oh, shit. It's all time. Here's the freeze gun.
Oh!
Is that right? See? get the chain.
Ah, I don't like the chain.
There, give me a fish.
Fish.
No!
I don't need Tico. We're just penguins with love fish.
Yes, and so do sharks.
I don't want it.
Let go. It's mine. Yeah. Ow.
What did you get? How did you get knocked out?
Ow!
I knocked you out with the fish.
Ah.
There he goes. Aw.
Goosh.
Who's there?
Knocked him out with the fish.
How much time? Oh, we overexceeded the time. All right, guys. Thank you for watching the video.